Welcome to Thoughtful Legends. In this video, we will explore 7 powerful habits that can make you more attractive and irresistible on a deep and enduring level. Inspired by Stoic philosophy, these habits will help you build deeper relationships and earn lasting respect. Let's begin with the first habit. Habit number 1, living with integrity. When we talk about making ourselves irresistible, we often think about appearance or social status. But let's delve into something more fundamental: integrity. Integrity is not a moral high ground, but the foundation on which others see us and decide to trust us. Integrity means acting consistently with what you say, aligning what you profess with what you practice. Imagine you are at a networking event and meet someone who shares your interest in environmental conservation. You talk about your passion for sustainable living and promise to send them a link to a documentary that changed your perspective. By following through the next day, you establish yourself as reliable and deepen your connection with that person. Conversely, if you don't follow up, it might make them doubt your sincerity in other matters. These small moments test and showcase our character. As Epictetus said, if you say you're going to do something, do it. If you start something, finish it. Living with integrity extends beyond keeping promises to everyday decisions and interactions. In the workplace, for example, if you're assigned a project with tight deadlines and high stakes, adhering to ethical practices even when tempted otherwise speaks volumes about your integrity. Your colleagues and superiors will notice and remember this. Such integrity can make you a magnet for respect and admiration, both professionally and personally. Habit number 2. Self-control. In a world that often rewards the loudest or most immediately responsive, Stoicism highlights the strength of self-control. It's not merely about suppressing emotions or desires, but about governing them thoughtfully so they serve us rather than enslave us. Imagine you're in a debate at a social gathering. Exercising self-restraint involves choosing your words carefully, listening more than speaking, and responding thoughtfully and respectfully to others' viewpoints. This discipline is admirable and shows you can handle conflict with grace and composure. Habit number 3, empathy and understanding. Stoicism teaches that empathy and understanding are the foundations of deep and meaningful relationships. Practicing empathy means seeking to comprehend others' perspectives, emotions, and motivations without immediate judgment. In the workplace, when you see a colleague overwhelmed by a tight deadline, offering a listening ear and helping manage tasks can turn an ordinary coworker into a loyal friend and reliable ally. This empathy transforms relationships and makes you irresistibly attractive. Habit number 4, appreciation of the present. Stoicism reminds us to live in the present and fully savor the moment without anxious dependence on the future. As Seneca beautifully puts it, life is not waiting for the future, but living in the present. Imagine you're in a cozy cafe on a date. Instead of planning the next move or worrying about how well the date is going, focus on the here and now. Savor the aroma of the coffee, enjoy the ambiance, and be fully present in the conversation. This level of attention makes your date feel appreciated and special, leaving both of you with a rich experience. Habit number 5, resilience in adversity. Resilience isn't just about getting back up after a fall. It's about doing so with grace that captivates and reassures those around you. Imagine you're on a date at an outdoor concert, and it suddenly starts raining. Instead of panicking, you turn the situation into a fun experience by suggesting an impromptu dance in the rain. This adaptability not only saves the day, but also makes the evening unforgettable, showing your date that you can find joy even in adversity. Habit number 6, continuous personal growth. Personal development is a cornerstone of Stoicism and an essential quality that enhances your attractiveness. Embracing a lifelong journey of learning and self-improvement shows your commitment to evolving. Imagine you take up learning to play a musical instrument or start painting. Each step in these learning processes adds not only a new skill to your life, but also makes you more interesting and engaging. This openness to new challenges and the capacity to master new skills will make your conversations more profound and engaging. Habit number 7, authenticity. Being true to yourself is a fundamental principle of Stoicism. As Epictetus said, it is more necessary for the soul to be cured than the body, for it is better to die than to live badly. This means staying true to your values and not giving in to outside pressure or temporary trends. Share your true passions and interests, whether it's your love for gardening, fascination with astronomy, or weekend volunteer work. This honesty shows you're comfortable with who you are, and don't try to be someone else to impress others. It makes your interactions compelling and real, far better than a contrived persona. In conclusion, living with integrity, exercising self-control, showing empathy, appreciating the present, building resilience, committing to personal growth, and embracing authenticity are 7 habits that can transform your life and relationships. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Thoughtful Legends for more insights. Check out the links on the screen for more content. Until next time, stay thoughtful.